Hello. Hey, we need a new house.
My room is pink.
Okay, princess. Hello, friend. Welcome to Miniature House. Today, I'll build simple house Hello Kitty versus Frozen in hot and cold style from cardboard and clay.
Woo! Hello, friend.
The princess house will have a green lawn, a swimming pool. I will make a spacious house so that the queen can invite more friends to play. Olaf is example. A pink room. And a blue room for Elsa. Now, complete the frame of the house by gluing the cardboard border. We need a big rainbow stair in here. Pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
I think we need a bed.
Okay, wait a few minutes. Now, I will make the headboard Hello Kitty. First, you need to sketch Hello Kitty. Next, you need to cut along the drawn line. Slowly and carefully. I will grind the cover to make the shape more clear. Put clay on that so you can easily shape the headboard. You need to roll to make the clay more flexible. In addition, we also need to roll the clay thin so that the clay is evenly spread. This is my secret. After that, you just need to gently press along the edge of the cardboard. Let at about to make Hello Kitty's head look more pretty. The eyes. Bling eyes. The nose. And don't forget the beards. So cute. Now I will make a complete Hello Kitty bed. Yeah, I'm making for Queen a new beautiful dress.
Wow, my room is so big. Where's my another shoe? Maybe it's at Cinderella's house.
Let's come to eat something. Yay!
Our house Hello Kitty versus Frozen in hot and cold style is finished. Let's take a look at our results. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Miniature house